It is a recipe from our Asian Keto Low Carb Cookbook on sale now. It is an Asian pantry staple. It is super easy to make and it tastes good on just about anything. Stay tuned to see how we make it. Don't worry about writing anything down. I will link the recipe in the description box below. Avocado oil, minced garlic, chili flakes. This is my preferred brand of chili flakes. This is the Dragonfly. This is the super hot. Again, I'm a chili head. I love things super spicy. You don't have to use this. Any chili flakes you find at the supermarket will do. The first step is to grab a nonstick pan and turn your heat to medium. Add your avocado oil. Add in your minced garlic. Stir in your minced garlic for about a minute. Add your ground chili flakes. Then you're going to reduce your heat to low and keep on stirring. You're going to constantly stir your chili oil for about 8 to 10 minutes. If you want a smokier flavor, you're going to want to stir for about 12 minutes until the chili flakes gets burgundy. But 8 to 10 minutes is what I like. Turn your heat off and remove the pan from the burner. This is what it will look like after it's done cooling. OMG, take a look at that. Beautiful garlic pieces in there, chili flakes, absolute chili oil heaven. Woo! Grab a mason jar. This is a 500 milliliter mason jar. There you have it, homemade chili oil from our kitchen to yours. It's super easy to make as you saw, and it is absolutely delicious. It adds another element to your food and it stores incredibly well. If you didn't hate this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have not yet subscribed, be sure to click that subscribe button. Also ring that notification bell if you want to be notified on future tippy tales. As always, I love hearing back from you, so if you enjoyed this video, drop me a comment down below, or if you have any other suggestions, I am open to your suggestions and feedback. As always, guys, we are signing off with some love and some gratitude. We'll see you in the next one.